How to view your own email on Android phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can view own email on an Android phone. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. The simplest method is to check in your Gmail application. For that, open up Gmail in your device. Now, in order to view your Gmail or your email address, you have to tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here, a list of all emails account that is logged in your phone will appear. And your email address is displayed under each account, as you can see. So in this way, you can simply find your email address or view your own email in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.